Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Walgreens video for you. These deals started on Sunday, January the 30th, and they are good up until Saturday, February 5th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, you guys, so with this transaction, this is an online curbside pickup order transaction. I also shopped through the Rakuten's app for some extra cash back. I had a digital booster get $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend $50, and then I also used a promo code NEWYOU for some additional savings. So the first items I'm going to start with are going to be both of these Febreze products right here. And then also, guys, I will have a Google document linked in the description box below. Just in case you want to check out some of these deals, you can just click on the link in the description box and you can either print that Google document off or you can just pull it up on your phone when you go in store. So both of these Febreze products, they are priced at $3.99 and I purchased two. So $3.99 times 2 is $7.98. We do have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $7.98 minus the $4 digital coupon, that will bring your total down to $3.98 for both, or it'll make each one just $1.99. Next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of these Nivea Men Shave Foam Gels, and these are priced online at $2.69. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive a $5 registry reward, or it could be a store coupon. None of my registry rewards printed for me, you guys, and I'm going to talk about that. So it's either a registry reward or a store coupon, I'm not sure, but you will receive $5 back. So $2.69 times 2 is $5.38. Minus that $5 that you will receive back, that will bring your total down to just 38 cents for both, or it'll make each one just 19 cents. And then I also purchased 3 packages of the Angel Soft Tissue, the 9 = 18 regular rolls. And these are priced at Walgreens this week for $3.99. The deal is when you buy 3, you will receive a $3 registry reward. So you're going to want to purchase 3 at $3.99, and that will bring your total to $11.97. We do have a 50-cent digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $11.97 minus the 50-cent digital coupon, that will bring your total down to just $11.47. And then you will receive back that $3 registry reward, bringing your total down to $8.47 for all 3, or it'll make each package just $2.82. And then I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of these Colgate Optic White Toothpaste, and these are priced at Walgreens this week for $4. I purchased 2. The deal is you will receive back $4 in Walgreens cash when you buy 2. So you're going to purchase 2 at $4, and that's going to bring your total to $8. We do have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $8 minus that $4 digital coupon will bring your total down to $4, and then you will receive back that $4 in Walgreens cash, making these Colgate toothpaste completely free. And then I also grabbed this bottle of Ajax dish soap, and this is priced at Walgreens for $1.99. This is the 20 ounce. We do have a 50-cent digital coupon on the Walgreens app, making your total just $1.49 for this Ajax. So this is a really good price, and I would say that this is a stock up price. And then next, I have this bottle of Swagbucks. This is the 28.7 ounce. This is also priced at Walgreens for $1.99. We have a 50-cent digital coupon on the Walgreens app, bringing your total down to just $1.49. And then I grabbed 2 of these soft soap body washes, and these are priced at Walgreens for $3.99. The deal is you will receive $5 in Walgreens cash rewards when you buy 2. So you're going to purchase 2 at $3.99, and that's going to bring your total to $7.98. We do have a $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $7.98 minus that $1 digital coupon will bring your total down to $6.98. And then you will receive back that $5 in Walgreens cash for purchasing 2, bringing your total down to $1.98 for both, or it'll make each one 99 cents. And then lastly, I went ahead and I grabbed 3 of the Pantene shampoo and conditioners. I grabbed 2 shampoo and 1 conditioner. And these are priced at Walgreens for $3.99. The deal is when you buy 3, you will receive back a $5. I'm pretty sure this is going to be a store coupon. So what you're going to do is purchase 3 at $3.99, and that's going to bring your total to $11.97. We do have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $11.97 minus that $5 digital coupon, that will bring your total down to $6.97. And then you will receive back that $5 store coupon, bringing your total down to just $1.97 for all 3 bottles, or it'll make each bottle just 66 cents each. So that is everything that I got in this transaction, you guys. And so as I stated earlier, my registry rewards did not, well, I think my registry rewards were going to print, but I'm pretty sure, as a lot of you may know, the glitch that was going on Sunday, I actually participated in that, but I was only able to get 3 because I think the store that I was at kind of knew what was going on. So I was only able to get 3. So I'm happy for the 3 registry rewards, the $5 registry reward that I was able to get. But what I think is that the Walgreens, each Walgreens, I went to 3 different Walgreens yesterday, and each of them had their Catalina machine off. So I'm pretty sure that each of those stores knew about the glitch that was going on. So when I did this online pickup order, I knew for a fact that they were not going to give me my registry rewards. And with this particular store that I ordered at, they normally bring out my registry rewards, but this time they didn't. And I already knew it. So I did contact customer service, and they did go ahead and give me the amount for the registry rewards. So I was supposed to receive the $5 for the Pantene and the $3 for the Angel Soft. So customer service did go ahead and credit that $8 to my account. So that's just a heads up, you guys, because I don't know how long these stores are going to have their Catalina machine off. They may actually have it off throughout this entire week. And this is just me assuming, this is not a fact. And the reason why I'm assuming that is because, well, it all depends on when they decide to, whenever they fix the glitch issue with the $5 store coupon. So that is that. And so now let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt really quick. So here are all of my items, you guys. And remember, I told you guys that I did use the code NEWYOU. So with using that code, it took off an additional $4.18. So that is what these prices right here are reflecting. Of course, all of my digital coupons came off. As you guys can see, it brought my subtotal to $37.58. So after the NEWYOU promo code and digital coupons, my total ended up being $37.58. In Walgreens Cash Rewards, you guys, I got back a total of $25.98. $5 came from the buying both of the Nivea. $4 came from purchasing 2 of the Colgate. $5 came from purchasing 2 of the soft soap. $10 came from me spending $50. And then the other $1.98 came from the extra Walgreens cash points. So $37.58 minus the $25.98 that I got in Walgreens Cash Rewards, that brought my total down to $11.60. And then I got back that $8 from customer service for my registry rewards not printed for the Pantene and the Angel Soft. So $11.60 minus the $8 that I got back from customer service, that brought my total down to $3.60. And remember, I did shop through the Rakuten's app, and Rakuten gave me back $1.15 for this transaction. So $3.60 minus the $1.15 that I got back from Rakuten, that brought my grand total to $2.45 for this entire transaction. This is a total of 16 items. So when you divide that $2.45 by 16, that makes each of these items just 15 cents. So this was a fantastic transaction for me, you guys. Not a free transaction, but it is still a great deal. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, let me know down in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, let me know, did any of you get a chance to receive any of the extra $5 store coupons that we're printing out. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. If you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points, which is $2. And then also, guys, if you are not using Rakuten, I will have Rakuten linked in the description box below as well. So that is going to be it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.